Okay, we're back. We took a sip of beer, and as you can see, Jesus Christ, the chip is in. It's in place. Now there's a little lever right here. Can't see shit. Everything's all fucking. Here we go. I'm trying to do this fucking and looking. Little lever right here. All right. This is sticking up. What you want to do? Hold on to this. Hold this. Bring it down. All right, right there. You want to hold down on the chip. You want to bring your little lever down and lock it in place. You'll hear a little click, and then the lever will stay there. See? Put some shade on the situation. You really can't see fucking shitty webcams anyhow. All right, we'll be back in a minute to give you the rest here. We're gonna hook up the cooler now. Put the cooler on top of it.